Flyer D40LF 0605 MBTA on the 64 route. Zoom in, snapshot. And then all the way down there, there's another Bluebird school bus. Let's see if it's gonna come up here in this direction. Hopefully the light turns like green so I can catch some footage of it for you guys. A little mini truck over here, Chevy running. Vintage looking vehicle over there. Well, vintage in my opinion. Let's see. We got the Kia over here, Kia Sedona. It's a green light. That Bluebird should be coming up any minute now. Oh, yo, that sound of that truck takeoff is beautiful. Come on, Bluebird, hurry up. Yep, there's the Bluebird, short Bluebird coming up. Bluebird drive-by. Drive-by. This truck is about to sing. That engine's about to sing. Watch it take off. New Flyer D40LF. I'm about to get on this bus, guys. Peace out. We're going to see you guys next week with bus production.